Hey there, fellow adventurers in the world of vehicles. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to get a title for an abandoned vehicle in 2025. Whether you've stumbled upon an old car rusting away in your neighborhood or you're a salvage enthusiast looking to turn junk into treasure, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First off, what's an abandoned vehicle? In 2025, with new digital regulations in place, it's any vehicle left unattended on public or private property for an extended period. Think 48 hours or more, without the owner's trace. But before you claim it, you need to verify it's truly abandoned. Start by checking for any signs of ownership, like license plates or registration stickers, and snap some photos for your records. Step 1. Research local laws. By 2025, many places have updated their DMV systems to online portals, making this easier. Head to your state's official website or app, yes, everything's going digital now, and look up abandoned vehicle statutes. These can vary, so know the rules in your area to avoid any legal hiccups. Next, notify the authorities. Report the vehicle to your local police department or the DMV. In 2025, you might do this through a streamlined app that allows you to upload photos and details instantly. This step is crucial because it creates an official record and gives the original owner a chance to claim it back. Once that's done, gather your documentation. You'll need proof that you've reported it, any photos, and possibly a bill of sale if applicable. Then, apply for the title through the DMV's online system. Expect to pay some fees, around $50 to $200, depending on your location, and be prepared for a vehicle inspection to ensure it's roadworthy or safe for salvage. Finally, wait for approval. In 2025's efficient systems, this could take just a few weeks. Once you get the title, you're good to go. Register it, fix it up, or sell it on. Remember, always play by the rules to stay on the right side of the law. There you have it, folks. Getting a title for an abandoned vehicle doesn't have to be a headache. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation rolling. Thanks for watching and drive safe.